What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Sangoma. It's been parked away for a bit because we've been having an issue with the fan belt. It kept on jumping off. Turns out we had the wrong crank up pulley for the car. It was a M50 pulley instead of a M20 pulley. We've got NK today from Shumi Automotive. They supplied the new pulley for us as well as they're fitting it. NK, let us know what you do.
What's up guys, this is NK from Shumi Automotive and you can find us on Facebook. All our details are on that. Yeah, we work on BMW, specialize just on BMWs.
Engine rebuilds.
Engine rebuilds, engine overall, everything.
Tuning.
Yeah, we also do management systems as well.
We've also got some fuel seals that we're going to be fitting today. We only managed to get 2. The third one is no longer available from BMW. Yo guys, it's a few days later, so we've sorted out the few bushings that we needed, gearbox mounting and the center bearing. We got the car started up nicely. We're gonna go drop it off by the paint shop by Edgar. Edgar's gonna just do a few finishing touches on the car, respray the fenders and stuff like that the wheels damaged. Stay tuned, we're gonna do some point of view driving. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Love the sound of these cars. It looks like the car is smoking, but it's actually not. It's must. Pretty cold today, so yeah, just letting it warm up, idle up nicely so we can go, so we're ready to move. guys, we're back. We came back with our Smurfy, which is our 3.2 liter E36 M3. I forgot how awesome these cars are. 3.2 liter with a 6-speed, awesome for cruising. We also brought back some tires which we're going to be fitting onto our Red M3 soon. At least we can get started with that build now. I'll put a clip now of how the car is looking at the moment. We're hopefully gonna fetch the car in a few days time, and yeah, then the car is actually gonna be ready to be sold. So whoever is interested in purchasing the car, please, you can hit us up on our email. I'll put it in the description as well. You can also contact us on our social media if you'd like to get in contact with us if you are a serious buyer about the car. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do the most, drop us a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications for the next few videos coming in, and peace out.